how to add chapters to Vimeo videos. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can add chapters to your Vimeo videos. So if you fall under this category, just watch this video to the end and you would know how to do it. Ensure you do not miss any part of this video. So let's go. The first part, logging into your Vimeo account. Move to the left side of the screen, click on your library, and then once you're in your library page, select the video that you would like to add chapters to. So after selecting the video, you'll be brought to the video settings page. On this page, you can see details about the video like the title, description. Then move to the left side where you can see options like player, subtitles, and audio interactive edit. Ensure you click on interactive. By clicking on interactive, another box will be displayed. In this box, you can see chapters, you can see registration, you can see cards, end screen. Ensure you click on chapters. So by clicking on chapters, you will be brought to the chapters page. Now, to add chapters to your video, you have to ensure that you're using the paid version of Vimeo. So that's why it is showcasing this. So, but if you're on the paid version of Vimeo, on this particular section, you will see the plus icon. So go ahead and click on the plus icon. And by clicking the plus icon, you'll be able to add a new chapter. Then once you click on the plus icon, you'll be asked to enter the chapter title and time stamp, and then you can add up to one chapter per second and all of that. And then once you've done that, go ahead and save your changes and save the number of chapters, and they will be added to the video. Okay, so that is it. It's very easy, but ensure that you've upgraded your account from the free version to a starter plan or to a standard plan, depending on what you can afford. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.